Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. So today I have for you guys a sunproof summer makeup look, and I've been to the beach a couple of times this summer, and I must admit na hindi siya all the time na naka-full makeup ako kasi ang init-init, sobrang init. And then, ang pangit lang talaga when your makeup melts off. Alam mo yun? Kasi usually, may times pala na naka-false lashes pa ako, ganyan. Pero, more often than not, I really opt for a look na parang fresh lang. Kasi ang hirap, alam mo yun, nagme-melt, ang init, mangangati ka, and even if you get sunburnt, diba? And then mag-makeup ka, parang ang hirap ng girl. So anyway, today I'm gonna be doing a really simple fresh makeup look, which is what I have on my skin right now. Pang everyday lang siya and perfect for the summer kasi lahat ng ginamit ko sa face ko, may SPF, they're lightweight, and they're long-lasting. So if you want to know how I achieve this look, keep on watching. So first step is to use the Maybelline Super BB Cream. So this is really perfect to use kapag nasa beach ka or pag summertime kasi it has a fresh matte finish. It also has SPF 21, PA+++. So it really protects your skin from the sun. So I'm just gonna apply this all over my face. I'm not even gonna use a brush or a sponge. I'm just gonna use my fingers. Sobrang konti lang. So we're really going for that natural finish. I'm just gonna pat this all over my face. And hindi naman kailangan na buong mukha mo lalagyan mo. Doon lang sa mga parts na kunwari may redness, may blemish, under eye circles, ganyan. And then just spread it out like that. I also find na maganda rin talaga yung finish ng foundation kapag ginaganyan mo sa skin mo. Parang Korean technique yun. And ever since I started with YouTube, talagang si Maybelline talaga yung may magagandang powders talaga. I remember from way back yung pink na lalagyan pa. So anyway, ito yung itsura ng powder. So this one naman, it gives you poreless skin perfection that lasts all day daw. Ang galing, no? And then this one also has SPF 32. I'm gonna use a brush to apply this powder on my face. And ang ginagamit kong shade is yung darkest, B4 Caramel, kasi medyo umitim ako from the beach. And then again, hindi kailangan buong mukha. Doon lang sa mga areas na you tend to oil up a bit or may mga problematic areas. Kunwari may mga pores, like over here. May pores ako dyan. This powder is also super lightweight on the face. So hindi siya yung parang feel mo na naka-mascara ka. No, it's very lightweight. Next step is the kilay. So we're gonna be using the Fashion Brow Duo Shaper. And then for the lip color, I'm gonna be using Touch of Nude, which is one of my favorite shades ever. Ang ganda-ganda. It's like your lips but better. MLBB talaga siya. It's perfect for everyday. And then we finish off this look by using the Maybelline Master Fix Setting Spray. This is my first time using this product. And this basically locks in your makeup para all day talaga siya maglalast. So it's really vital to use this if ever you're gonna be out in the sun all day and gusto mo talaga intact or in place lagi yung makeup mo the entire day. So use this one. Don't put it too close to your face or too far. Sakto lang, an arm's length like that, and then spray. Usually ako, I just close my eyes and then I do 2 to 3 sprays lang. Shake. Okay. Hindi pala 3 sprays yun. And then you will feel na parang nag-set na yung makeup mo. So that's how easy it is to achieve a fresh summer look. So I highly recommend all the products that I use on my face today kasi lahat sila long-lasting, lightweight, and lahat sila may SPF. Perfect for the summer. And don't forget to drop by your favorite Maybelline counters kasi for the whole month of April, meron tayong sunproof summer sale. And that's gonna run from April 1 to 30, and then you can purchase the products over there, and then you can create your own sunproof summer look. That's it for the video today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!